Welcome back to LIFERN. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a couple of the amulets or pendants that I grabbed from Alchemybyla. Now Alchemybyla is by Leeoralexandra, who is also a YouTuber, and she's everything about spirituality. That's what her YouTube channel is about and more. And she loves self-help and self-improvement, that sort of thing. And basically these pendants, which I gravitated towards the pendant that she was wearing on one of her videos, realized that this was her jewelry line. These pendants that she created symbolize different things. So this one that I have right here in my hands is the Prosperity Amulet, and I also grabbed this in mini. Now these ones come in different sizes, so there's the mini as well as the original size, and then the colors come in yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold, and they're stamped accordingly on the pendant as well as the chain. Additionally, you can have what type of gold you want in terms of the purity of it. The standard one comes in 18 karat gold plated on sterling silver. Then there's a 14 karat solid gold and a 22 karat solid gold. And the ones that I have, that one was the 14 karat gold. The mini one was a 14 karat gold on a 14 karat gold chain. This one right here is the Cosmic Love Amulet. This was much heavier and much more yellow, as you see here, because it is a 22 karat gold pendant, and it is unfortunately on a 14 karat gold chain, and that is because 22 karat gold is a little bit more soft than the 14 karat gold, and so they decided to place it on the chain. And I did ask her about the chain itself, because the chain was a little bit mismatched in the 22 karat gold, and again that was explained to me quite thoroughly by the team that it needs to be a little bit more sturdy, so that's why they went with the 14 karat gold chain rather than the 22 karat gold chain, which is a little bit more malleable. And also I had one more question for the team, and I asked them, like, why doesn't it look like the amulet that she had on? And she responded that it was because I guess she couldn't find like a maker or somebody who can create that chain for her quite yet. So this will do for now. It's not too bad. I mean, it's stamped with the proper gold plating or whatever it may be that it is. It's a solid gold, so that's why it's more yellow. And this is the large size, and this is, or the original size, and this is the mini, and it has the word stamped in Hebrew on it. So they have quite a collection, about 6 pendants in all, 6 or 7 pendants. So I'll go ahead and link that down below so you can check it out for yourself. Just eye-catching, very subtle though, and yeah. So I'll go ahead and show you how I wear it. Alright, and as you can see here, I like to mix match my jewelry, so there they are. And the very first one is in rose gold by Logan Howell. That's a 12-inch chain. The second one is by Tiffany, and that's a rose gold as well, and that one's on a 14-inch chain. And the last one is on a 16-inch chain, and that's the one I grabbed from Alchemybyla's miniature pendant. So if you have the original pendant, that comes on an 18-inch chain, so just keep that in mind. It could go down a little bit lower. And also the back snapped off on me, but it was because it got tangled up in my hair, and yeah, so I just went ahead and reclasped it with some tweezers, and it's all good from there. So overall, this is how my pendants look, and I love wearing them. Again, very subtle beauty, but eye-catching at the same time. And that's pretty much it. Have a happy new year. Comment, like, subscribe. Goodbye.